These 5A tools are changing the game in 2006. Whether you're a creator, freelancer, or running a small business, one of these could 10x your productivity. Advanced A models are now smarter than ever. Claude excels at long-form content and complex reasoning. GPT-4 Turbo dominates creative writing and code generation. Both support extended context windows, perfect for handling massive projects without context loss. Video creation just got easier. Runway ML offers real-time AI video editing and generation. Sora creates stunning video from text prompts in seconds. Freelancers are already using these to generate client content 5x faster, with minimal editing required. Research and learning tools are evolving rapidly. Perplexity delivers real-time answers with NotebookLM turns documents into interactive learning experiences. Creators love these for fact-checking and content research without the usual time investment. Start with one tool matching your workflow. Test Claude or GPT-4 for writing, Runway for video content. Most offer free trials. The key, identify your bottleneck first, then choose the right AI solution. Don't try everything. Go deep with what matters. Hit that subscribe button for weekly AI tool reviews. Drop a comment telling us which tool you're trying first. I read every single one.